Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking Creed. Now, Creed is it's like over 100-year company, perfuming company, and I wanted to try their shower gel. So over the past years, really haven't shown you guys shower gels, but I've been trying a lot of different shower gels. Every time I run out of one, I say, okay, let me try something different. But I haven't shown you shower gels on here mainly because scent can be subjective sometimes. Same thing as perfumes. But I'm showing you this one because there aren't a lot of reviews on this. And kind of if you're going to, spend $115, sometimes you want to see, hey, does it lather? Does it foam? Does it whatever? So, yes, that is why I'm doing this review. So I got it in Love and White Shower Gel, and okay, I'm I probably will get this perfume. This smells so good. You guys know I love my Chanel Mademoiselle, but this smells really good, and it's different than my Chanel Mademoiselle, which is nice. But it comes in 200 milliliters, or no, I'm sorry, Creed 1760. My apologies. Not 100 years. This is this is a couple hundred years. um, it is a floral, fresh, crisp, and green scent. Love and White reveals itself in an array of glorious aromas to form a feminine, sophisticated perfume. And I said it retails for $115, 200 milliliters, 6.8 ounces. It leaves your skin clean and lightly fragranced. It's shatterproof bottle cap with Creed's Royal Three Plume crest right there. Um, is suited for home, gym, or travel. It's gentle and clean fragrance which contains light notes of hyacinth and magnolia and is reminiscent of a fresh spring breeze. If spring smelled like this, oh, it smells so good. This smells so good. It is light, it's refreshing. It just smells so good. Okay, let's get away from the scent. Let's talk about it as a shower gel. Okay. Um Let me pour it out for you so you can see. So, let's go ahead and shake it. You hear it in there, okay? And then here we go. You ready? This is how it pours out, if you can see it. It's rather watery. It's rather watery. Oh, it smells so good. You can't put it back inside of it, but it's rather watery, and the problem is that when you put it on a loofah, it does not it does not sud well. It does not foam well, and you have to use quite a lot of it. And so I w- this probably isn't going to last me through the month because of how much I have to put on here to get it to get sudsy and soapy on my loofah. And I have a dense loofah, so I'm like, okay, normally sometimes to start out with body washes on it, it takes a little bit and then it goes good. But with my other body washes, like my Chanel, it suds up really nicely. This does not. So would I buy this body wash again? No, no. I'm unless it's not supposed to be like this, unless it's not supposed to be watery, sort of like this. Um, no, I would probably just go for the perfume. Does the scent last? It lasts for about an hour. So you're like, it smells so good. So I took my shower maybe 2 hours ago, and the scent is gone. Like you can't. It's not. It's no longer there. No, I didn't put any perfume on yet. So no, is it pretty? Yes, it's a lovely bottle. Um, does it smell good? It smells amazing. It smells amazing. uh, but as a body wash, is it good? No, just because you have to use so much. Does it leave me moisturized? No, but it doesn't leave me dry either. So it's fine. It's fine as a body wash, and it but it's not a moisturizing body wash per se. So yeah, but am I glad I tried it? Yes, because I'm probably definitely getting I keep talking about the perfume. Hopefully the perfume lasts on your skin a long time, but yeah, this is just it's watery, and even putting a lot on there, it just takes so much to suds. Like, I'm not talking like, oh, okay, you pour some on there, pour it. Okay, that should be enough. No, no, no. Need more. Need more. It's that type of wow, you are just not creating any, you're not sudsing up. So, and maybe that's not what it's supposed to do, but it sure does make me feel a lot cleaner when I see the suds on my body and the soap on there. So yeah, this is not for me the best body wash, but the smell is amazing. So I would recommend maybe the perfume, but I can't really recommend the perfume because I haven't tried it yet and if the smell lasts. But the smell I recommend. It smells amazing. So I hope that helps any of you guys who are figuring out if you should try this body wash, the Love and White. I'm not sure about the other body washes because they have different fragrances and maybe they react differently. But yeah, the smell is just, it's so good. It's so good. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Yeah, guys, this is just, it's disappointing because the smell is so good. And even though it doesn't last, being in the shower with it is so good. It smells so good. It just does not suds up without a lot, using the body wash a lot. So, a lot of the body wash per se. So, yeah, that's unfortunate.